guys, hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all safe, and thank you for being here again. My canvas today is an 18 by 24 inch previously poured canvas, as you can see. I did this about 18 months ago. It wasn't satin enamel, it was just very thin paint, the base, and then colours over the top to try and get the pearl cells. But I burnt it in a few places, got too close with my torch, and I like some areas, but maybe that's okay, but I didn't like it as a whole, and some not very nice areas, so I'd forgotten all about this canvas, to be honest, but I'll be able to pour over it. It's nice and smooth. Right, so my colours: Amsterdam, Prussian blue and Paynes grey mixed together. Sonja, Norwegian orange and gold oxide mixed together. Thin consistency. ARA Metallic Turquoise. That's gorgeous. And Liquitex bright aqua green. My base, I'm just doing a white base today, with Sara Taylor's recipe. The link will be in the description box below. The link drop down box is there, little arrow, press on it, and everything that my Lazy Susan, everything, all the links, and Sarah's channel link will be down there. All the information is down there. Okay then, let's get messy, and I'll come back to you later. Put some music on now.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.
And I'm happy. By tilting all the base off, it was so much better. I mean, it's still obviously eating a lot of the colour, the satin enamel, but it's just left enough colour there. So you've got some definition with the pearl cells. The last one I did, where I left quite a lot on before I applied the colours, I think I was just in auto mode from doing my swipes, where I leave a puddle. I wasn't really thinking. But yes, I like it. Still soft and delicate, but there's a lot more definition than the last one. That's pretty cool. So I haven't changed my mix this time from the last one because I wanted to see what it was like if I made my base thin. I still think maybe I need to add a little bit more paint because our Floetrol is a lot thinner than the US Floetrol. So, and I think it sort of gives more cells, so I think I need to just adjust it slightly, add some more paint. So it doesn't eat quite as much of the colour. When you saw that I kept blowing, kept applying lots of colour and it just kept disappearing, but I like it. Trying to get it all in. I apologise if you can see my light. Okay then guys, if this is out before Easter, happy Easter, and stay safe, take care, and please like, share and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, really help me out, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now. Bye.